Hello again. The Tater Cowgirls have another rodeo, cooking rodeo of course. It's Gilroy Rodeo Day today too. And today I got questions from my viewers. They said, oh, so you showed us the Greek moussaka where your daughter ate when she was Eddie's age. When she came home from school, she went to a Greek restaurant. I paid them, gave her food and had her do her homeworks, and also did a Chinese restaurant in the house where I lived. So they said, well, you showed us the Greek meal, now we want to know what she ate in the Chinese restaurant. Of course I can do that. And today is a perfect day to do what I'm going to do, because it's stinking hot in Gilroy. It's I think it's about 98 to 100 degrees here, so I don't really want to cook and heat the oven or something. So we make a cold Asian rice noodle salad, and that's from the Chinese restaurant. Okay, so let's just start. I prepared already. I boiled water, a pot of water, and for 2 minutes I boiled those brown rice noodles, which I found at Nopil. You know, I prefer brown to white rice, so I go for it. They say 2 to 4 minutes you boil them, but the lady who owned the Chinese restaurant gave me a trick. She said, only boil very short, 1 to 2 minutes, and then turn off the water, let them sit for a few more minutes, and maybe 5 more minutes, and then try them, and they should be perfect. They are not getting so sticky. If you boil them all the way through, they get really sticky, and you want them fluffy. Show you how they look. I also, when they were done, I poured cold water over them. Look at those. These are the rice noodles, brown, and they actually are very light for brown rice noodles, but they got really nice. See, that's what we are using. Put that in my bowl and base. Okay, here is our brown rice noodle bowl. Now I put you down a little bit so that you can see everything what I did here. All right, so that should work. I water sauteed the Chinese 5-spice nuggets. They're made from I found them too at Nopil. Tofu, it's firm tofu, but you can take any firm tofu and saute it a little bit. They were a little marinated, so I like those. It's called 5-spice nuggets, and they're cool. So we did that. They're here. That's one of our ingredients. Then I julienned, and everything like the noodles should be julienned, so in little stripes. I have carrots. I bought them julienne because I'm lazy. I have jiccamas julienned, cucumbers, a red pepper, half a cucumber is that, by the way, 1 red pepper. I give you all the measurements below the video in the definition. You know, in the info section, so you don't have to write down everything. Here are sprouts. Then I have, I think it was 4 radishes julienne, like little tiny strips. I have 3 scallions chopped, and I have sugar peas cut in half. Sugar snap peas cut in half. Might need a little bit more. It said a cup. I'm not sure, but I have more other stuff. So for example, the jiccamas they didn't have in there, I added them because I had some I had to use. So that was isn't that pretty, those colors? And here I have 2 limes. I put them here already because this goes in my dressing. I have cilantro. That's are the leaves of the coriander from my German friends. They always ask what cilantro is. Then I have sesame seeds here, and I have basil chopped, and I have ginger chopped. So this goes in the salad too. For the dressing here in the bowl, I'm squeezing. I rolled them a little bit before that they are juicier, and I squeeze them in. Do you want to do that? Squeeze the cilantro in, or help me? Here's some. All 4 halves have to be squeezed in. Let me see if we have a. You know what? We can use the margarita thing. It's actually a good thing to squeeze. Yeah, it's really hot today. Whoa.
I can't even squeeze it.
Yeah, I know. Okay, try it here. You put it in this bowl, because we make a dressing for you, which is the main thing for the salad.
Okay, how do I do this? I'd rather do this.
Put it in.
So like...
If there's juice in there, put it in there. Okay. Try to get the best one I could find. I rolled them. If you roll the lime, it gets a little easier to squeeze. Okay, we have them all. There's more. Yeah, that will do. Let's take one more. Okay. Oh, did I tell you weight loss? 89 pounds. So I'm almost at 90 pounds, but I don't want to cheat. So, well, 89 pounds. Ta-ta. So I didn't lose much from last week, but I think half a pound. But I lost a lot the week before, so it's always in little steps that I lose. Okay, this is that. Then we need 2 tablespoons soy sauce. We might need a little bit more, but let's start with 2 tablespoons. That's tamari, that's less salt in it, less sodium. Then, let's see, we need, no, 4 tablespoons soy, okay. 4 tablespoons, I have my glasses on and I can actually see the recipe. I'm sorry. 4 tablespoons soy. And I know why, because I made the double amount I have on the recipe. Okay. Then we have 1 tablespoon mirin. It's kind of a sweet Asian cooking wine. 1 tablespoon. Be careful with that, it's really sweet, so you don't want to have too much. Then we have 2 tablespoons wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. All right. This is it with the fluids. Now we have a 1/4 teaspoon red chili pepper flakes. We have a 1/4 teaspoon wasabi powder. You see the good stuff is going in, and a 1/4 teaspoon Chinese 5-spice. That one. Alright, so I need a fork. Pretty good. I would say put a little bit of water in because I want to have it more spread over the noodles there. Now, what we do is we get all the spices in, the cilantro, the sesame seeds, the basil, and the ginger. Goes in here. Then we put all the vegetables in. Carrots, jicama, cucumbers, peppers, sprouts, radishes, sweet peas, sugar snap peas. And this, I think I would like to take this tray, a solid tray. You can garnish. Oh, peppermint is in there too. I chopped mint. Okay, and we also will put some mint on top as garnish. It's always cool. So, not with that one. We pour this one over it.
What a perfect slice.
Then we mix it. Everything is cold, so nothing should be warm in this salad. This is a cold summer salad. And you have to mix it good so that the noodles spread into the vegetables. Let me see if we have enough dressing. I took more noodles. I want to make sure. Good. Good. I don't eat oil. The Chinese restaurant had toasted sesame oil in there, but I put the sesame seeds in there for that, for the sesame taste. And that should do it. And what we do now, actually I think you could use some more soy sauce. Maybe some mirin. Rice vinegar is enough. Lime is enough. So we played a little bit on that family style. Oops. Like this. Wait.
You took like every single fruit vegetable that was in there.
No, it's okay. It just looks like it because there's so many noodles. I put more. Pack that in my lunch boxes for the whole week. I love this salad. What we do now is, I want it nice and mixed.
so hard to use these.
Put the glasses off.
I think I get it. Yeah.
And we put some
We put like half of it
some
on.
Chinese marinated tofu on it.
I want to taste it.
Oh, hold on, we're not done yet. There's that put here.
Looks good.
Alright. Put it like this. We plate it like this. Then we put some sprouts on top. A mint leaf. That looks nice.
We used to have mint leaves. You can use it on.
A few more sesame, just for the presentation. And we are done. Take the two sticks, the middle is the control stick, and you can get it just fine out here, like this. Asian rice noodle salad. Bon appetit. I see you next week. Eddie, you want to take it from here?
Okay.
Let me try the tofu.
That's what I was trying to eat earlier.
Tofu is very good. Made a lot of mess here, but the salad is really good. It's just perfect for a hot summer day where you don't want to eat something hot. It's perfect. You can always add more rice vinegar if you want it more sour, or add other spices. For me, it's just fine as it is. Get in. Good, huh? That's what I say. Okay. See you next week at another Tater Cowgirls rodeo. Bye. Oh, is this in California? Peace out. Pow, pow, pow.